Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of the Certificate DApp, a decentralized application designed to securely issue and view certificates using blockchain technology. Let's go through each step to understand how the DApp works. This command launches the local development server for our DApp. Once it's running, we can access the application through our web browser. The interface will load, showing us the home page of the Certificate DApp. Next, we connect our metamask wallet to the DApp. It's important to ensure that we're using the admin account, which is the account that deployed the smart contract. Only the admin account has the permission to issue certificates. Any other account connected will only have the option to view certificates. Once MetaMask is connected with the admin account, the interface shows two options: View Certificate and Issue Certificate. The Issue Certificate option is only available to the admin. Now let's issue a certificate. We click on the Issue Certificate button. This takes us to a form where we need to enter the details of the certificate. Here we fill in the required information: the certificate ID, the recipient's name, the course they completed, the grade they achieved, and the date of issue. These fields must be filled accurately as this data will be stored on the blockchain. After filling in all the details, we click Submit. Submitting the form triggers a MetaMask prompt. This is a transaction request to write the certificate details onto the blockchain. Blockchain transactions require gas fees, so we need to confirm the transaction in MetaMask. By clicking Confirm, we authorize the transaction. MetaMask processes it, and once confirmed, the certificate information is securely stored on the blockchain. This makes the data immutable and tamper-proof. Now let's see how anyone can view a certificate. We navigate to the View Certificate section of the DApp. This functionality is available to all users, not just the admin. We enter a valid certificate ID and click Search. The DApp interacts with the blockchain to retrieve the stored information for that specific certificate. As you can see, the details we entered earlier are displayed, showing the recipient's name, course, grade, and the date. This confirms that the data has been securely stored and can be retrieved by anyone with the correct certificate ID. To demonstrate how access control works, let's disconnect the admin account and connect another MetaMask account that is not the admin. Notice that after connecting with this new account, the Issue Certificate option is no longer visible. Only the View Certificate option remains available. This is because the ability to issue certificates is restricted to the admin account only. Even though this account is not the admin, it can still view certificates. We enter the certificate ID again and click Search. The certificate details are displayed as expected, confirming that while issuing certificates is limited to the admin, viewing them is open to all users. This concludes our step-by-step demonstration of the Certificate DApp. We have shown how the DApp ensures secure issuance and viewing of certificates using blockchain technology, making it a reliable and transparent solution for digital credentials. Thank you for watching.